Hey guys, welcome to another video. I was just playing Speed City on Roblox, and then, guess what? This guy called Black Hole Treasure said in chat that he got a owner trail. I'll show you. It says, don't need rainbow. I have the owner trail. People were asking how. And then he replied, the owner gave it to me. And guess what? I sent him a trade request, and he does have it. I'm not kidding. I'll do it again if you want. Where is he? Gold treasure. Let's just wait for a second. I need to wait for him to accept it or deny it or something. I want him to accept so I can show you guys this trail. It is awesome. I'm not kidding. This trail, it's literally an owner trail. I guess I'll, guys, should I just, leave you guys here and cut until he accepts my trade request, and then I'll just turn back on the recording so you can see that he actually has it. Because, yeah. Might take a while. Do you want me to do that, guys? Oh, and by the way, I already played this game a lot, so I'm very fast in it. This is pretty much what happens. You're super slow at the start. And then I trade with someone to get this trail that costs 4 million steps to get the crate. And I got it for free, pretty much, so, and I was already in this beach world, 500k steps. I was here, I got the trail put on. It used to be like maybe 2,000 steps per one of these, and now it's 22,000. Yeah. Anyway, I got over to the Infinite Road. I put a screwdriver on my W key, so my character would just keep running for like an hour. I came back and I got kicked from the game. Of course, that happens like every time I try and do something like that. And then I just reconnected, and I had 700,000 more steps. Wait, what? That was supposed to teleport me. That's a glitch. By the way, the music is probably copyrighted, so I can't actually let you hear it. I actually just muted it on my computer. So, yeah. Anyway, let's try another request. I've literally played this game for like 5 days. Okay, more like 10. And finally met one of the top levels. I actually was going to buy the Elite City for Robux, but no, I'm not doing that. I could just wait a while. Yes! I'll show you. This is the owner's skin in Roblox, and it is a very good thing compared to this. It is amazing. So there you have it, guys. The owner trail, boom. That thing is amazing. I'm gonna see if he'll put it down for me. If I give him stuff, really cool things. I'll literally trade him these. If he... Come on, dude. I really need that trail. please give me the owner trail. I don't think he's gonna give me the owner trail. Okay, he canceled it anyway. So, yeah, there you have it. The owner trail. The owner trail. So, yeah, that's pretty crazy. Anyway, let's go into the front page of Roblox. Oh, that's my recording software. Don't worry about that. Anyway, now I'm on Roblox, and let's see if we can find something to play in the rest of the time that you're here. Well, let's try some new games that I never played. Google Factory Tycoon. Sure. But I showed you the owner trail. Next video, this is what we'll be playing. So, looks like I'm going to end the episode here. And, well, yeah. Or if we could just do this right now for maybe like 9 minutes. For the rest of the video, we'll play this. Google Factory Tycoon. We'll do it for like 9 minutes. 6 to 9 minutes, probably 9. So I'm the blue team. That's good. Blue's my favorite color. There was real red Google team, gold Google team, green Google team, and all this, but I'm blue. Cool. Some money here without me starting work. Nice little boost. Like that. Sometimes that happens in Tycoon, so I take it. Okay. You can upgrade them. That's so cool. Oh no, it gives you that amount of money. Oh, okay. I thought you could like upgrade them for that much money. Guess not. Makes sense. Anyway, let's grab the building foundation. Look what all that opened up. Wow, this is going to be a long Tycoon. A Google upgrader. This is awesome, guys. Let's ride it. Oh, yeah. I love that you just start with a gravity coil so you can just jump around. That's just so useful. Anyways, what should we get next? Should we get another dropper, let's see, Advanced Dropper 3, or should we get another upgrader? Dropper. We get another Android guy. Let's get some more money and we'll get the next Google upgrader. Ooh, double cash rate? Okay, how much Robux? That is a scam and I can't afford it anyway, so, yeah. Anyway, whoa, this is going to be a long Tycoon. I can tell that. By Security Gate, by Chrome Dropper. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. But guess what, guys? We already have 1,000, and that next dropper is $100 away that we now have. Okay. Well, that's useful. So, now we will get this. Whoa, it drops a Chrome dropper. The Chrome symbol, Google Chrome symbol. Ooh, 25 coins. That's pretty good, guys. Pretty good. Like, there's definitely better things I could have bought, but That will increase my money quite a lot. Let me guess. This costs Robux. Yeah. So I'm not getting it. Anyway, let's see. Okay. Buying another Google upgrader. Yeah. We're gonna... Wait. Are there even walls for this factory? I think we should, buy some walls. Wait, nobody has walls. Except for them. They have a tiny bit of wall. Wow, now we're getting money fast. Let's grab this. Chromebook dropper. We're making computers now. It went from making symbols to making computers. Yeah, of course. You just make some apps and then slap that app symbol onto a computer and boom, you have yourself Tycoon. Makes no sense. Anyway, let's just keep buying these things. What else can we buy? Red brick floor. And actually looks pretty good. I like it. Now, oh wait, walls. We need those walls. We need those. Oh, that's a lot of money. Anyway, let's buy it. Oh yes, we needed this. Waterfall fountain, thank you. Now let's buy some more things. Some more upgraders. Actually, let's grab a carpet quickly. Ooh, lights. Ooh, what? Are they just floating? Okay. Start off by making symbols, then make some iPads, then make floating lights. Yes, makes a lot of sense. Floating lights. What is... Jeez, this is bright. This is super bright for me in game. Can you read that? This factory was founded for invent like you achieve greatness, have fun, and may the money roll in fast as possible. Okay, that was very hard to read. I'm not kidding. It is so bright. And I'm also a kid, so I don't know some words. Yeah. Anyway, let's buy some more things. Another conveyor. Path. Sofa lamp. Wow, my Tycoon looks a lot better now. So got these over here. Let's buy these. Sure. Are we making a street or something, guys? What is this? Do not enter for save. Anyway, let's keep grabbing money and see what we could get. That's 15,000. Too much. Yeah, don't see anything we can actually buy right now.